Thank you, Honourable Chair of Chairs. The 8-day power outage caused by the vandalism of Alexandra substation has once again exposed deep failures within the city power and the City of Johannesburg to protect key infrastructure meant to deliver basic services to residents of this province. While the immediate cause was criminal vandalism, the prolonged outage was entirely avoidable. Residents were left in the dark because critical replacement stock was unavailable, highlighting serious failures in planning, procurement, and inventory management. Yet the real problem goes even deeper. The continued lack of security at key electricity infrastructure, combined with weak controls and oversight at head office, has created an environment where preventable acts of sabotage can cripple entire communities for days and even weeks at a time. For 8 days, residents and businesses were left vulnerable. Families forced to live without lighting, refrigeration, security system, and basic household necessities. Elderly residents and children and those dependent on electricity-powered medical equipment face significant hardship. Businesses suffered losses, while darkened streets increased the risk of crime and place already vulnerable communities at even greater risk. The Democratic Alliance believes that residents deserve answers and accountability. Critical infrastructure must be protected and stock levels must be properly managed, and those responsible must be held accountable. Joburg residents should not be paying the price for management failures that could and should have been prevented. As the DA, we have a plan in place to ensure that stock levels are properly managed and do not run low. By so doing, we would ensure that where electricity infrastructure needs to be replaced, it can be done quickly as possible. Thank you, Chair of Chairs.
Thank you, Honourable